Hello students, Kiran Sinha is here and starting the chapter Heat and its Effect. So first we will talk about the concept of heat. What is heat? So to explain this concept I am taking one example. Suppose we are playing with ice. So when we are playing with ice our hand feel cold, or we have vision of warming up when we sit in sunlight or near the fire. So why this happen? Why we are experiencing different? When we are playing with ice we feel our hand feel cold. When we are sitting in the sunlight or near the fire we are feeling warming up. So why these differences are there? So temperature and heat are closely linked because temperature of an object changes when heat is added to an object or removed. In this case, when we are sitting in the sunlight, we are absorbing heat from the surrounding and our body become warm up. And when we are playing with ice, our body losing heat to the ice, so we are feeling cold. So gain or loss of heat. We are talking about gain or loss of heat. So why this gain or loss of heat? Because of temperature. When we are playing with ice, the temperature of ice is less than our body temperature. So our body loss heat. When we are sitting in the sunlight, the temperature of the sunlight is more than our body temperature. So we gain heat. So gain or loss of heat depends upon temperature. So in this chapter we will explore difference and similarities between heat and temperature. Also we will explore effect of heat on solid, liquid and gas. So to understand this topic, again I am taking one more example. When you put a cold spoon in a cup of hot coffee, after some time what happens? The spoon become warm and the coffee become cold. The interaction that causes this temperature change, temperature of the spoon increases, temperature of the coffee decreases when they come with interaction with each other. So interaction that causes this temperature change is actually transfer of energy from hot body, that is coffee, to cold body, that is spoon, or transfer of energy from body at higher temperature to the body at lower temperature. Energy which is transferred due to difference in temperature of two objects is called heat flow or heat transfer, and the amount of energy that is transferred is called heat. That is, the term heat always refers to energy in transit, or you can say energy in motion, from one body to other body due to difference in temperature. Heat never refers the amount of energy contained in a body. No, heat refers the amount of energy flow from a body of high temperature to the body at low temperature. So flow of energy or transit of energy is referred as heat. So keep in mind, heat and temperature both are different physical quantity. Temperature of an object always depend upon its hotness or coldness, but heat always refers energy which flow from a body at high temperature to a body at low temperature till they approach thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium means when both the system attain the same temperature, then the transfer of energy does not takes place, and that state is called thermal equilibrium. Many form of energy can be converted into other form of energy, that is heat energy and other energy. When we rub our hand together, what happens? The mechanical energy converted into heat energy, and we can feel this heat energy because our hand become warm. Number 2 example, when fuel burns, chemical energy is converted into heat and light energy. Heat energy of burning fuel converts into mechanical energy in car. Number 4, in electric heater or electric iron, electrical energy is converted into heat energy. We can take one more example. Example number 5. In power station, yani power house, heat energy of burning coal is converted into electrical energy. So, energy can be converted from one form to another form. So, heat is a form of energy which can flow from a body at higher temperature to the body at lower temperature, and it flow till the both body comes to attain the same temperature. Number 2, form of energy is interchangeable. मतलब one form of energy can be changed into other form of energy. So in the next video will be based on effect of heat. And negative